Have you ever dreamt of being a Google software engineer and contributing advanced programming solution, which would impact 5 billion human life daily? Guess what? This fun test self-assessment API allows you to find out if you can be a Google software engineer. As always, we will build this in Excel. Do you know Google value professional problem-solving skills and coding experience over a computer science degree? Some Google software engineers do not have a computer science degree. These people are hired on their practical experience. So back to the question, do you have what it takes to be a Google software engineer? To create this API, we will be using AlchemyJ, which is an Excel add-in that can turn Excel business model into API. This way you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download this add-in for free at alchemyj.io. First, do you know Google does not use an applicant tracking system? Google Recruiter looks through every curriculum vitae to find a potential fit. Google minimum qualifications include a bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. Second, Google uses C++, Go, Java, Python, Nodejs for their backend and JavaScript and TypeScript on their front end. To code for Google, you need to be experienced in these programming languages. Third, the average years of software development experience expected from Google Recruiter range from a junior position of 3 years to 10 years for a senior position. Fourth, personal and side software projects enable you to pick up and practice more programming languages. This allows Google Recruiter to access your skills and capability for a job fit. Fifth, if you are currently or previously employed under Facebook, Amazon, Apple and Microsoft as a Google software engineer tech lead, this positive track record enhances your chances of being Google software engineer. Sixth, in 2019, Google received 3 million applications and hires 7,000. That means only 1 in 428 applicants end up with a job, which means you only have a 0.2% chance of getting hired. You might fail on your first try, but be persistent and keep applying. Lastly, to be a Google software engineer, you are required to pass Google Whiteboard interview. Spent on more days researching Google software engineer interview questions online and practice it. Remember, knowing the enemy is half the battle won. Alright, let's move on to Excel and see if I can be a Googler. This is the self-assessment tool I created in Excel. Let's try it out. Which bachelor's degree did you graduate with? C. I graduated in information technology. How many languages can you code in? I can code in C++, Java, Python and JavaScript. So, it will be a C for me. How many years of software development experience do you have? B. I have about 2 years of software development experience. How many personal/side software projects have you worked on? I have been working on a few side projects, I think about 6. For this I will choose C. Who is your current or previous employer? C. A SME tech company. How often do you apply for a Google software engineer job? I have applied all Google software engineer opening. It will be an A for me. How many days have you spent on researching and practicing Google software engineer interview questions? A. 0 days for me. I will only start my research and practice if I get shortlisted by Google. So, what do I get? 38. Low. You have a relatively low chance of becoming a Google software engineer. It's okay, I should reconsider for Tesla or SpaceX instead. We can now convert this Excel file into API using AlchemyJ. We are speeding up the process here. If you want to know how to do it in detail, check out the links in the description box below. The API is now ready. To test the API, I have created a user interface that calls the API to get the question list and to calculate the score. You can create a web page or a mobile app to call the REST API as you wish. When I click this button, it will call the API to get the result and display it on this test result page. To see the actual API, open this API documentation which AlchemyJ automatically generates. It is an open API format. You can even try the API using this page. So there you have it. This Excel template is available for download on our website. You may go to alchemyj.io, sign in or sign up for an account if you haven't done so. You will find this template and many more interesting templates under the resource section. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Tell us what you think about this template under the comment section. See you soon in the next video.